Good day, everyone. Welcome to TLE class, Agricultural Crop Production. Our lesson for today is about processing farm wastes. Waste management helps maintain healthy environment for farm animals and can reduce the need for commercial fertilizers while providing other nutrients needed for crop production. If wastes are not properly handled, they can pollute surface and groundwater and contribute to air pollution. The proper waste management of waste from agricultural operations can contribute in a significant way to farm operations. The purpose of waste management is to protect the environment and the public. Waste management is an important element of environmental protection. Its purpose is to provide hygienic, efficient, and economic solid waste storage, collection, transportation, and treatment of disposal of waste without polluting the atmosphere, soil, or water system. In waste management, the waste is reduced, recycled, and make it usable for different purposes. Composting has become a preferable option to treat organic wastes. Composting is a method in which organic matter present in agricultural waste is decomposed by aerobically or anaerobically through a biochemical process and converted into humus. Aerobic composting, or the decomposition of organic materials using microorganisms that require oxygen. It requires the introduction of oxygen to compost piles to allow aerobic microbes to thrive. While the anaerobic composting decomposes waste without oxygen, Organic materials are piled up and break down naturally. This process does not need any type of maintenance and will not need to be turned. Compost is used to improve the soil fertility in gardens, landscaping, horticulture, urban agriculture, and organic farming. The compost is beneficial by providing nutrients as fertilizer to the crop, acting as soil conditioner, increasing the humus or humic acids contents of the soil, and most important action of introducing beneficial colonies of microbes in the soil. At its simplest level, composting requires gathering a mix of greens and browns. Greens are materials rich in nitrogen such as leaves, grass, and food scraps. While browns are more woody materials rich in carbon like stalks, paper, and wood chips. Composting organisms require four equally important ingredients to work effectively. Carbon for energy. The microbial oxidation of carbon produces the heat if included at suggested levels. High carbon materials tend to be brown and dry. Nitrogen to grow and reproduce more organisms to oxidize the carbon. High nitrogen materials tend to be green or colorful such as fruits and vegetables, and wet. Oxygen for oxidizing the carbon, the decomposition process. And water in the right amount to maintain activity without causing anaerobic conditions. Ways to prepare compost. Fast composting is the need of the hour for reducing the time required for obtaining good quality compost. A compost made in a container is called a fast compost. A fast compost pile will get hotter and take 1 to 3 months to make compost. While slow composting is made in an open pile, a slow compost pile will take 3 to 8 months to make compost. Here are the materials needed in making a compost. Steps in making a compost. Combine the green and brown materials in alternate layers. Compost pile should have an equal amount of browns and greens. Water the pile completely. Keep the pile moist by watering it every 2 to 3 days. And turn the pile every 3 to 5 days. After more than 2 months, the compost cools down and no need to be turned. And after 3 months, the compost is fully decomposed and ready to use. That's all, and thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something today. See you on our next lesson.